I will show you how to make Gamepass on PLS Donate. First, open Roblox on your web, then go to the Create section. Then press this. Scroll down, then click Passes. Click Create a Pass. You can change your pass photo, give it a name and description. After that, click Create Pass. Congratulations, you have successfully created a Game Pass. Then try checking in the Roblox game whether the Game Pass you have created is available.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.